Yeah, anise. You
Anise is grating the coconut.
Yeah, create the coconut. Coconut milk.
Yeah.
This is the second tab. The second tab.
The grating.
Yes.
Good.
Smooth slowly. Slowly. Okay. Yeah, you make it. Yeah. Maybe you do this the first
again.
time in your life.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Coconut.
In Vietnamese we call não dừa. Não dừa.
Yua is coconut, but
Yeah.
now
Não dừa.
Now.
Now. This is the action you do.
Now.
Yeah,
Ah.
now. Yeah,
Now
now.
yua. So
Now.
you're grating the
It's-
coconut, but you're putting the brown. Be careful.
Oops.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Ah.
You could change your hand. Change your hand.
Like,
So have you feel comfortable
yeah,
when
no,
you?
this one is better.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I will do a second
Very
time.
clever.
Very
I will
clever.
do a second time in my life.
In Vietnamese, we
So,
in Vietnam
how do you
we
know when to stop?
When you see the
yeah
brown.
when you see the brown color.
Oh, well, I am not so.
Yeah.
I'm not,
When
I'm
you
not
take
so.
take out this white, yeah, this white meat.
Yeah, I
meat.
kept getting the.
No problem if we use for milk. Yeah. Don't make it very hard.
I
Just
don't push.
yeah, just slowly and you know
Regularly.
yeah.
Do you like it? You don't eat
Like
it all.
it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
He loves it.
Jesus. What a clever thing.
Indeed. Because if you try with your knife,
Yeah, it's horrible.
It's very hard.
Horrible. Okay.
Going at the coconut,
Yeah,
press spread.
perfect, right? Yeah. Yeah, you're very patient. Yeah. Fresh water and oil water. And we're going to make coconut milk. Now, Johnson,
Yes.
follow me.
Ready.
Okay, so now this is we have coconuts. Yeah, little bit. So you mix. Okay, stop it. You use your hands and you mix it. Yeah, and you are feeling this hot enough for your hand to
Yeah.
mix.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
hot.
Yeah, very hot. So it's hot. You use a little
No,
bit
I'm able.
water.
I'm
Yeah.
more than able to do that.
Okay. Yeah, you mix it and you put it in this pocket. Yeah.
Do you think it's enough water?
Yeah.
No.
We could make more
Make it
time.
more.
Okay, the first time and the
first time.
second time and the third time too.
But it's not
Yeah.
the same.
Because it make the
More.
more coconut milk if we do like that.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's do
So
that.
this is the first time we
First
do
time.
it. Yeah. Okay. So very easy.
Then
So
we
now-
press it.
Yes. Yes. Now
Mhm.
you press it.
Oh yes.
Is
like
that
this.
we have the okay. Yes. Look at this.
Coconut milk?
Yeah, coconut milk.
Yay!
Very easy to make at home.
Yeah, thank
Very
you.
easy to make
Next
at
time
home.
I'll do that home.
And very fresh.
Okay, very fresh. So you put it to the flask.
And that's a first flush.
Yeah, the first water is always
Better?
very fast.
Very
and-
fat, yeah, because it's
yeah,
fatty.
very fast. And so you
Yeah.
we put it here, right?
Oh yes, I
Wow.
will try that.
You could make it. And
Wow.
make it again.
Lovely.
One more time, second time. Yes. The same processing. Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. If it's hot, put a little bit cold water here.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
But we could use the chopsticks, it would be the same, no?
We only use hands. Up.
Why?
Yes, like this. Make it strong. Oh, very hot because you put
A
too
lot.
much. hot water.
Yes, I will learn the lesson.
Okay, good. We mix and we do like this.
Rest, yeah.
We rest. Yes, like we wash our clothes.
That's the washing.
Right? We're washing, right?
I'm washing the coconut
Yeah.
until I got
Washing
the second.
coconuts. Okay.
I love it.
And the more you press it, the more the milk will go out. The more milk. Yeah, put it here again. Yes. But the second time the color
Less
is
different and the less
lighter,
less.
yeah. That's why. Eh? Yes. Okay. Now you see. Yeah. Okay. Good idea. Strong. Yeah, make it strong.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. And we use the second milk for cooking. And we could enjoy drink this. Yeah, it look like the milk from the cow. And we call it the milk from the coconut tree. Coconut tree milk.
Yeah,
Right?
you
right?
really call the same.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that a lot.
Okay. This is enough.
That's enough. Yeah.
And
Now, the first one you can't do anything.
the last we put to the chicken.
Chicken.
the
Yes.
chicken.
Yes. Yes.
This makes me think like, you know, in the evening before going to bed, you can have a little bit of
That's
fresh coconut
That's
milk.
at the taste. We can't have it
No, we can't have it.
unless we do all these on the you know, this taste. We can't have it anywhere, but where you have the
No,
coconut.
you have to have it like fresh. It's
Yeah.
just-
This,
it's
that doesn't
everything.
reach us.
Yeah.
Everything tastes different when it's really fresh.
Yeah.
You can't
Exactly.
get it when in a tin. It's not the same.
Yeah. Okay. How do you feel when you tart it?
Greedy
Really?
It's very
And
creamy.
and creamy.
Creamy. Like when you have like cow milk, you know, in the old days when you actually went into the stables and got the milk,
Yeah.
fresh milk.
Fresh milk.
I'm in
Doesn't
love.
taste the same as the one you buy in the shop, and this is the same.
I'm in love
Yeah.
with coconut milk.
Okay. You love it.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Very nice.